Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. This instructional video explain how to remove the X mark or cross mark from a signature line in Microsoft Word in a clear and systematical manner. Signature lines are commonly used in office letters, agreements, forms, reports and professional documents, and the appearance of an unwanted cross can reduce the visual clarity and professionalism of a document. Many users encounter the cross symbol or the X symbol when inserting or editing a digital signature line and are unsure how to remove or hide it. This tutorial does demonstrates accurate and reliable methods to eliminate the cross while preserving the signature lines structure of formatting. So let's get started. At first you have to open your Word document. We can see here assignments. Now I add a signature line. Go to the insert menu, click the signature line option. Now you can see here the suggested signature or suggested singer title. You can write anything, otherwise you can gap this. Now I'm write some text. Then click OK. We can see here the backspace or signature is YouTube channel, but here the cross line. Now I make the signature without this cross line. Now I make manually. Click this text box option and choose draw a text box. Then press enter and write the same text. Now I am go back the home menu and remove the spacing. Then press shift and write double underscore, then press enter. And we can see here a line. Press only enter to get the line. Then click the text box and go to the format menu, make the shape fill, no fill, and shape outline, no outline. Then we can see here the signature line without cross mark. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the more important video very soon. Thanks for watching.